There is a principle in chemistry that I've always lived my life by, and this principle has formed the center of my success in whatever I find myself. And that principle is Le Chatelier's principle in chemistry. What does it say? Le Chatelier's principle states that when a system in equilibrium is disturbed, the system will adjust itself in order to cancel the effect of change. You didn't hear me, sir. Let me come again. When a system in equilibrium is disturbed, the system will adjust itself in order to cancel the effect of change. This simply means that when a system in a state of comfort is disturbed by whatsoever force or factor, that system doesn't die, that system doesn't complain. That system will adjust itself in order to cancel the effects of change. This principle has helped me so much in my life to the extent that I don't complain in any negative situation. Rather, I think of the next positive thing to do to cancel the effects of the change that the negative situation brought or brings into my life. Let me state a real example of this principle in nature. If we plant a coconut tree and the coconut tree starts growing, let's imagine we put a four-legged table on the coconut and leaves it there while the coconut is growing. When the coconut grows to the length of the table, which is under the table, because of the obstacle it meets, it doesn't go back into the ground. What happens? It bends round the table to locate sunlight again and continue growing. If you come in the next 2 or 3 years to check the coconut tree, you will discover that the coconut tree would have grown into a mature tree, even bringing out coconut. But what will you notice? You will notice that the coconut will not be straight. It will be bent because it has bent round an obstacle that was meant to affect its growth. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many things in our life that has tried to affect our growth, tried to affect our development, tried to affect everything around us. But we mustn't give up. You mustn't die to negative situation. You have to adjust yourself to cancel the effect of change. I came to Lagos, fine, it was difficult. I told myself that I'm going to exist in Lagos, and if it is just 5 people that will succeed in Lagos, it is me and 4 others. That is my mentality. Now, I don't want to know the negative situation that you are facing right now. I don't want to know if your life is not making sense, but you mustn't let that get to you. You mustn't let that make you fail. You need to adjust yourself to cancel the effect of change. Even the Bible says that if you fail in the days of adversity, your strength is small. Another version states that you are a poor specimen. I speak to you today, my friend. Don't be a poor specimen.